Right, we're going to start off with 1 cup of gram flour, 2 cups of gram flour, 4 tablespoons of fresh coriander chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 4 spring onions finely chopped, 1 carrot grated, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper finely cut, chopped, and 4 green chilies finely chopped. In there we're going to put chili powder, ajwain seeds, baking powder, black pepper, coriander and cumin powder, cumin seeds, salt and turmeric powder. Because the vegetables have a lot of moisture as well, you may not need all that water, or you might need some more depending on the gram flour, and I think I will be needing some more. Okay, so that's that 1 cup. I'm going to be putting in another half a cup. Put them in like this, give a little bit of room for them to spread out. In here for about 3 minutes, so I'm going to turn them over gently because the top is still a little bit wet. You just gently turn them over. Right, once they've had 4 minutes on each side, they're ready to take out. As you can see, nice and golden.